Oh, we've made it to the end of our math obstacle race together. Oh, so sad, but you guys have been champs working through these math problems. All right, what I need you to do is get a 5-stick and a dry erase marker. Go ahead and get them. All right, here we go. Put those 5 cubes together to make a 5-stick. Got it in your hand? All right, good. How many cubes are there again? 5. All right, friends. So I want you on Seesaw to answer some questions for me. What would happen if you add 0 cubes to your 5-stick? What would you get? What happens if you take 0 cubes away from your 5-stick? Go ahead on Seesaw and answer these questions for you. You can feel free to write the number sentences that you see on your screen. Do a little extra bonus points. Or you can make a video and you can just talk about what happens when you add 0 cubes to your 5-stick and what happens when you take 0 cubes away. Let's see if you really understand my friend Zero the Hero.